Okay, so it's 2022 and the big question is, can you still make money with affiliate marketing? Now, to answer your question, if you do it correctly, yes, you can make money with affiliate marketing. In fact, now is the best time to start with affiliate marketing. You can make more money now than ever before promoting other people's products. I mean, just look at the e-commerce business. It grew 12% in the last 2 years. The demand is there, people are buying online now more than ever. So your job as an affiliate is finding the right person and promoting the right product to them. If you can do that correctly, if you know the right strategies, there is no reason why you wouldn't make money as an affiliate. So again, if you know the strategies, if you know how to do affiliate marketing correctly, you can achieve results like my affiliates. They've made millions online. For instance, James has made over $1 million online promoting one of my products. Or Chad, he is 25 years old. 2 years ago, he was a grocery bagger, and now he also made over $1 million promoting one of my products. And like these affiliates, I have thousands of affiliates making thousands of dollars online every single month because they know how to do affiliate marketing correctly. So in this video, what I'm gonna do is give you the strategies that my top affiliates are using to constantly make sales every single day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I was able to pay over $40 million in affiliate commissions and help over 2,000 different affiliates make their first $1,000 online. So if you're starting an affiliate program, you're grabbing your affiliate link and you're promoting it on Facebook groups or Instagram, that's the reason why you're not making any money. That's the reason you're not making any sales. That will only make people see you as spamming. So that being said, let's get started. Over the last 3 months, I've been investigating, analyzing, and going over all of my most successful affiliates' funnels, strategies, and secrets to learn how they're able to constantly make so many sales and how they're able to profit with affiliate marketing. And the truth is, the more that I investigated, the more I talked to my affiliates, the more I realized there is no secret formula, there is no magic button, there isn't something that you do that will work 100% of the time. Each affiliate has a different strategy. But one of the things that I noticed is that all of my successful affiliates follow a 3-step system. They follow a 3-step strategy. And that's what I'm going to show you in this video. And so the first step is for you to find a niche, for you to identify an audience. They would all find a niche that they liked, that they identified with, that they were good at. They would all gain authority in that niche. And that could be weight loss. That could be affiliate marketing. That could be multi-level marketing. That could be digital marketing, entrepreneurship. That could be literally anything. It could be the beauty niche, anything that you identify, anything that you like. Well, that's what you should go for. You should find a niche and become the authority in that niche. So one of the common mistakes that people do is they find a random product and they promote it to a random list. They promote it to a random audience. When your audience doesn't see any value in a product, they're not going to buy. So by identifying a niche and getting good at that niche, becoming the authority in that niche, you understand the pain, you understand the necessity, the goals, and the mindset behind that audience, making it easier for you to find a product that they can relate to and you can sell to them. So step number 2 is finding the right product. So once you've identified your audience, now you got to find the right product, a product that they identify to, a product that has real demand, a product that will solve a person's problem. You're basically selling a solution to that audience. Another thing that you want to consider when choosing your product is the affiliate system. How much commissions are you earning per sale? So let's take this microphone, for example. If you go to Amazon right now and you want to become an affiliate and promote this microphone, you'll probably earn 1 to 2% commissions on it. I could be wrong, I'm not sure, but most Amazon products will give you 2% commission on, which is not really good. I mean, considering all of the time, money, and energy that you put into this business, into promoting this microphone, is it really worth it? Are you really making a profit off of it? So be really careful when choosing your affiliate program. So what I'm gonna do now is jump into my computer and I wanna show you the product and the best affiliate program that you could choose to start making money as an affiliate today. This is the same product and program that has been making Franco, for example, over $40,000 online of passive income. It's the same program that I talked about in the beginning of the video, making James in chat over $1 million, and the same affiliate program that has paid over $40 million in commissions. And you can take your piece of the pie. I mean, if you sign up right now, and I'm going to show you this program in just a bit, you can start promoting this and making money today in building a real passive income business for yourself. So that being said, let me go ahead and go to my computer and show you what this is like. Okay guys, so now that I'm in my computer, I'm going to show you the product that I've been talking about in the affiliate system that I've been talking about. So first of all, let's talk about the product. What is Builderall? Well, Builderall is a digital marketing platform. You've got over 50 different tools. You've got the Cheetah Builder. This is a tool to build websites, pages, funnels. You've got a plugin for WordPress. This is the most powerful plugin for website building for WordPress in the world. You've got Mailing Boss, which is a complete solution for email marketing, WhatsApp Launcher. You have SMS, the Super Checkout Marketplace, Script Generator. So basically, if you are a digital marketer, you need help generating a script, you can use this tool. You've got the Quiz Builder, meaning you can build quizzes online. You've got Help Desk. This is your own personal support system. Website chatbots. That's pretty obvious what it is. Webinar tool. You can build your own webinars, build your own magazines. You can launch your own products. You've got, in fact, this is the most modern e-learning in the world right now. Well, guys, listen, you've got 50 different tools right here. These tools, they work amazing. They're all really good. If you want to know more about each individual tool, I'm going to leave a link below. You can access this page right here. And inside each of these icons, these boxes, you can see more about each tool. My team and I developed these pages so you can see the true power of each individual tool. You know, most people have the wrong mindset. They think just because we offer so many tools, the tools can't be good. But the truth is, we've been in business for so long now. We have such a big team of editors, designers, programmers. We have, as of today, over 200 different people working for the company, developing it, creating the designs, the videos. That's how we're able to achieve such high quality. That's how we're able to sell and maintain those users paying for a really long time. If you scroll down the page, you can see the design and the quality of the tool, and this is just one of them. You have 50 for you to look at. So again, Builderall is a complete solution for anyone looking to build a website, to build pages, funnels, to capture emails, to do WhatsApp launches. It's good for agency owners looking to get their clients better results. It's good for local businesses looking to capture more leads and making more sales. It's good for designers looking to build beautiful websites. It's good for everyday people looking to build a website. It's really good for affiliates looking to build a super high converting sales funnel. It's good for freelancers who are looking to build WordPress websites or help people capture leads through email marketing. It's good for freelancers looking to do chatbots. You know, you have unlimited ways of making money with this tool. And the demand is huge because it helps anyone looking to have an online presence. And that's the reason why our affiliates make so much money, because the demand is there. Everyone now is going online. Everyone needs a page. Everyone needs a website. Everyone needs professional email. Everyone now is on Instagram, Facebook. So big influencers, they need chatbots. The point is, everyone needs this tool. What you do now is find an audience and promote the right tools with the right angle to your audience. Let's go over the affiliate system. If you want to check the affiliate system better, I'm going to quickly go over it. You can click here on the affiliates tab. You will be redirected to the affiliate system. As you scroll down the page, go all the way down, you can see the affiliates calculator. And what this does is it calculates your potential earnings after 1 year based on how many sales you can make in 1 year. You will understand as I do this with you. Now, before I start typing in the numbers, you have to understand one thing. This is a 2-tier affiliate system, meaning that once you make a sale, you earn a commission. If that one person becomes an affiliate and they also make a sale, you also earn a commission from their sales. This is what we call distribution points. This is a way where you can become an affiliate without really competing with other affiliates. So you're basically building a team, you're helping each other out, you're not competing with anyone else. And if you bring an affiliate, they make a sale, you make a sale off of them. Like I said, this is a way to help our affiliates build a team, build a community, help each other, and not compete with each other. And again, this is also a way to make you more money. So let's answer these 3 questions. The first question is, how many sales can you make in 1 year? Guys, I've done webinars where I've made 100 sales. In fact, one of my funnels that I created, it was a long time ago. It's back in 2018. That was the first ever funnel that I created. It was called Young Entrepreneurs. I published the funnel. After 1 month, I made 120 sales. Let's say you make 1 sale per week, which is extremely low. There are people that make 10 sales a week. There are people that make 1 sale a day. Let's be conservative here. Let's say you only make 1 sale a week. In 1 year, that's 52 sales. Okay, so you've made 52 sales in 1 year. If you're able to make 1 sale per week in 1 year, you've generated yourself $1,233. Now let's answer the second question. How many affiliates can you bring in 1 year? Of the 52 sales that you made, how many of those Builderall clients will become affiliates? Let's say a little less than half. We'll say 20. Of the 52 people that you brought to Builderall, 20 of them became affiliates. That's a very realistic number because most of our affiliates only became affiliates after using the tool. They first purchased the tool because they needed to build a website or they needed to build a funnel. They needed to use the tool. Only after they used the tool, they saw the power of the tool, they decided to promote the tool as an affiliate. So again, this is a very conservative number. This is very real. Of the 52 sales that you made, you brought 20 affiliates. So the third question is, how many sales can each affiliate make in 1 year? Think about this. Of your 20 affiliates, how many sales can these affiliates make in 1 year? We were extremely conservative about making 1 sale a week. But let's say your affiliates are not good as you. They're not as motivated as you. And they only make 1 sale a month, which is very low. That's 12 sales in 1 year. If you make 52 sales in 1 year, that's 1 sale a month. No, sorry, that's 1 sale a week. You bring 20 affiliates and each affiliate only makes 1 sale a month. You're generating yourself in 1 year $7,000. But what if these affiliates are as motivated as you? What if they're as good as you and they each make 1 sale a week just like you? In 1 year, you could be making $25,000 a month. This is real, this is possible. I gave you an example earlier on the video. Franco showed me a couple weeks ago, he was making $40,000 a month from our affiliate system. This is why I believe we have the best affiliate system in the industry. Not only you earn a huge percentage of each sale, you also build a team of affiliates. You can consider them distribution points that will make you sales as well. A good example here is, let's say you have a water bottle company. You need to sell water, right? You have this water bottle. You need to sell this. Instead of selling to individual people, you will go to distribution points. You're going to go to Walmart. You're going to go to Target. You're going to go to Publix. You're going to provide them with your water bottle and they're going to sell it for you. So this is how it works. This is the same concept as our affiliate program. And this is why most of our affiliates make so much money with this affiliate program selling our product. And so now you guys know you need to find an audience. You know what product you should promote. You know what affiliate system you should promote. The question is, what are the next few steps? What strategy should I use? So now that you guys know what affiliate system you should promote, the product that you should promote, how my affiliates are making so much money online, the only question is, how do I do it? How do I get started? And so for you guys, I created this program right here. This is called the Top Affiliates Program. Like I said, what I did, I investigated what they did, their secrets, their funnels, their strategies, and I created a program for you guys. If you guys scroll down. You want to get started. You want to make money as an affiliate. Why not make money, and why not get started by learning from my best affiliates, from my top 10 best affiliates? This is Chad. I believe he dropped out of college. He was a grocery bagger, and now he's made $1 million with Builderall. This is Alex Friedman. He is my #1 affiliate in Israel. This is Katarina. She's also my #1 affiliate in Germany. This is Franco. This is the guy I was talking about he actually won a Camaro in one of the contests that I did. In the first 6 months, he made $100,000, and now he's making $40,000 a month. I have my own personal strategy. There is Barbie. She's also a very awesome affiliate. Salvatore, he's our #1 affiliate in Italy. Shelly, our #1 affiliate of all time. Ricardo, he is one of the best affiliates we have in Brazil. And Eric, the CEO of the company. So this is it, guys. There is a welcome video. There is a video on how to get started with the affiliate program. There are all of these videos, and there is sort of the last video where I talk about the strategies and how you can apply these strategies after you've watched the whole program. These videos are like 15 minutes long, no BS. You will go straight to the point, see what they did, and how you can apply that into your affiliate business. So the thing is, again, if you want to make money as an affiliate, you have to make money from someone who's done it. And this program will give you 10 people, 10 different affiliates who have done it for themselves. These are affiliates making real money online. Or what you can do is become an affiliate for free and also purchase this program. This is a program that I could have charged thousands of dollars for it, but if you click the link in the description, you will see an amazing offer for you guys. So if you are interested, the link is in the description. That being said, I hope this was helpful for you guys. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, make sure to give it a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.